You can dial or answer multiple calls in the following ways. After answering the first call, you can press the Extra Call soft key and enter the desired number in the Call To field to make a second call. Additionally, while answering the first call, you can press the Accept soft key or Off-Hook key to put through the second call. When making multiple calls or when two calls are present, the screen will show both calls. The first call is put on hold automatically. You can press the up and down navigation keys to switch to different lines or press the Swap soft key to switch the active line. When there are multiple registered accounts, you can dial or answer multiple calls with different accounts in the following ways. You can answer a call with account 1 and then press the Extra Call soft key. Enter the desired number in the Call To field using the keypad. Then press Options, select Line, and select the desired line to make a second call. If account 1 is on a call and account 2 receives a call, you can press the Accept soft key or press the Off-Hook key to answer the second call. Alternatively, you can press the up and down navigation keys to switch the line or press the Swap soft key to switch the active line directly. When one call is ended, press the Resume soft key to activate the other call.